Okay, hey guys.
No point in having it now.
No point in having it now.
It is because you can still suck on the mint to get the flavor.
Really?
So your breath smells nice and good.
Unlike yours.
Actually, I'm chewing a piece of gum, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Okay.
Oh!
Nasty.
No! Don't even.
Shirley, let's drop some mint.
Are you excited that you're spending the night?
Okay, geez, so this is my last
Hey,
video.
I'm excited. I'm excited only because I want to drive back right now. I can rest between.
Yeah, you
This is my last video for the
Is that
night.
your brush?
Oh,
Yes, that's my brush.
so that's Shirley.
Okay, so
That's Alex.
found it under the thing right here.
She likes doing that stuff. What are you doing, child?
Oh, what now?
everything.
I'm gonna do her makeup.
No.
There's nothing on it.
I'm good. Yeah, it was on the ground. Okay. Oh, God. So right now we're just like being crazy. Oh God. Okay.
No.
Okay. So they're throwing a Q-tip that they found on the ground at each other. Okay, we're just acting really stupid right now. So, yeah. Well, what was that? It's right there. Okay, so, yeah, that's that. They're throwing stuff at each other. What do you? So, yeah, okay, so we were just making videos. Okay,
Oh God.
this is the last video of the night. They're still throwing it at each other. Oh God, okay. Well, that was just random, out of the blue. Okay, they're doing flips and stuff. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. Yeah, we're actually sleeping over at the hotel, which I told you earlier this morning, I think. I'm pretty sure. That's a really bright light. I like evil. That's awesome though, my hair's good. Okay, they're...
She called him. No.
Alright, good night, goodbye, go.